Welcome to PKYS. Today we're diving into how you can design and have built a Blue Sea Systems custom circuit breaker panel tailored precisely to your needs. A custom panel offers the perfect solution for marine, RV, automotive, or industrial applications. This offers unparalleled flexibility, optimizes space, and guarantees a professional, safe, and reliable electrical system. So how do you get started on designing your own panel? Let's walk through the process. Start by logging in to the Panel Wizard website. By using the web address pkys.panelwizard.bluesea.com, your design will automatically be routed to PKYS, and we will be able to help you design the optimal panel for your application. Step 1 is to define the panel. In this example, we are going to choose a 2-module by 2-module panel that is for both 12 volts DC and 120 volts AC. Step 2 is to add the modules. Here we are going to add an AC multimeter and a DC multimeter. That means that the left-hand side of this panel will now be designated for 120 volts AC and the right-hand side for 12 volts DC. It's okay to mix voltages on the same panel as long as you keep them clearly separate. In the case of a mix of 12 and 120 volts, Blue Sea will automatically include back covers for the AC part of the panel. Next, we are going to add circuit breaker modules. My personal favorites are the flat rocker breakers, so I am going to add a module of AC breakers and a module of DC breakers. Once all our modules are loaded, we get to define each module in detail. Here we get to choose the breaker type and the label to go with it. For the AC part, we are going to do a main 30-amp double pole breaker and two 15-amp distribution breakers. We are going to label the main breaker and its reverse polarity light, and then add labels for the two distribution breakers. We are going to do the same thing for the DC breakers. In this case, the last breaker is a spare, so we are going to just put a blank label. Even if you don't know what all the labels should be, you should at least add a blank label. Otherwise, the panel will look unfinished. Once you are done, you can hit Complete and view a high-resolution image of your creation. You can also hit Parts List to get a summary of your design that can be shared with an installer. The final step, then, is submitting your design for a formal quote. PKYS is available to help throughout the process. We always have a few suggestions on how to improve your design. One popular tip is to put the breaker that controls the lights in one corner so you can find it in the dark. Designing and having a custom circuit breaker panel built by Blue Sea Systems means gaining a tailored, high-quality, and reliable electrical solution. Simplify your power system and gain peace of mind with a panel built just for you.